This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites so activation works reliably. Update Windows or console firmware and GPU drivers, and make sure you have sufficient RAM and CPU headroom. Once done, close resource-heavy background apps via Task Manager to prevent conflicts. Now open Settings. On Windows, go Start Right Arrow Settings, Right Arrow Gaming. On console, open System Settings. You're beginning the activation process, not finishing it. This first step prevents interruptions and ensures game mode actually benefits performance when enabled. You now enable game mode and configure priorities so the system favors your game. In Settings, right arrow gaming, turn game mode on. This directs more CPU/GPU scheduling toward active games. Next, set your game's process priority to high in Task Manager so it keeps resources. Be cautious. Don't set system-critical processes high. Also enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling, if supported, and mute or disable notifications to avoid input lag. These adjustments together reduce stutter. You finish by testing and addressing problems methodically. Launch the game and monitor FPS, frame timing, and latency using an overlay or tool so you confirm improvement. If performance worsens, revert recent changes one at a time. Turn off GPU scheduling, reset process priority, update or roll back drivers, and reboot to clear hung services. If problems persist, perform a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts. This final sweep ensures game mode helps and gives you a reproducible way to troubleshoot when it does not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.